How do I feel about mandatory vaccinations? I think we're kind of screwed. Hello, my name is Jeremy. I'm a paramedic and current nursing student, and welcome to The Real Truth. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future videos, and let's go ahead and get started. So, why not? I'm going to do a Q&A. What about being a nursing student intimidates you the most, and why? I'm going to have to say major exams like proctors and national standard. This is due to the whole fail it and you're out, or you kind of really screwed yourself over. That's because these major exams can take anywhere from 6% to like 10% of your critical grade. So that puts you in a bind, especially if you're struggling the whole entire semester. How do I feel about mandatory vaccinations? I think we're kind of screwed. Yeah, you can be like, hey, yeah, it's my body, my choice. I'm not going to basically do this. But it's like, okay, you're the nursing student, you're the new grad. You're just not going to get hired. Not to say that there's no exceptions to the rule, but you're coming off of nursing school and you're a new grad, so you don't have a plethora of options. So they can just basically say, deal with it or find someplace else. And if it's everywhere, you kind of have no choice but to do what they say, at least for now. And as a new grad nurse, like the biggest thing that you want to do is land like a really good residency program so you can develop really good skills and develop the right habits, you know? What do you do if you have a conflict with your professor? Be smart. Now I'm saying use logic to your advantage. So I would just use, with the most respectful way, basically debate what's in the book, and it has to be verbatim on the book versus like a wrong answer on the test. And then if you see it right there, pick your battles. When I say pick your battles, I mean these are people that's influencing your grade. You obviously don't want to piss them off, but at the same time, if you're respectful, you have a reasonable argument, and it goes from there. Or you have like a scheduling issue, use your proper emails, contact the dean, and then just go from there. Make sure it's within your policies and guidelines before you do it, and use your chain of command, and then you can't really go wrong with that. Any professor that has a problem with that at that point, just let their chain of command handle it, and so you can protect yourself, so you can stay in the program. Many nurses work long hours. What is your perspective for working extended periods? I mean, everybody has like their certain limit where it potentially is crash and burn, so it's kind of a slippery slope. Will I do it? Yeah. Will it suck? Of course. But I do think that mental health should be taken into account with it. There should be some counseling in case you work in ER or you see traumatic things on a regular basis. Now, that I do think that's important. But at the end of the day, from my perspective, I have a mortgage and 2 kids. I'm gonna I'm gonna work as much as possible regardless, so it's kind of indifferent for me. So if you made it this far to the video, go ahead and check out some of the other videos that may relate to your experience or what you may actually hope to experience in nursing school. See you in the next video. Later.